Hello everyone, this is Sindhu. My topic is human heart. Introduction of heart. The human heart is one of the most important organs responsible for sustaining life. It is a muscular organ with the four chambers. The size of the heart is the size of the about a clenched fist. The human heart functions throughout a person's lifespan and is one of the most robust and hardest working muscles in the human body. Besides human, most other animals also possess a heart that pumps blood throughout their bodies. Even invertebrates such as grasshoppers possess a heart-like pumping organs throughout. They do not function the same way human heart does. Also refer human circulatory system. Position of the human body. The human heart is located between the lungs in the thoracic cavity, slightly towards the left of the sternum breastbone. It is derived from the embryonic mesodermal germs layer. The function of heart. The function of the heart is any organisms is to maintain a constant flow of blood throughout the body. This replenishes oxygen and circulates nutrients among the cells and tissues. Following are the main functions of the heart. One of the primary functions of the human heart is to pump blood throughout the body. Blood delivers oxygen, hormones, glucose, and other components to various parts of the body, including the human heart. The heart also ensures the adequate blood pressure is maintained in the body. There are two types of circulations within the body, namely pulmonary circulations and systematic circulations. Structure of the human heart. The human heart is a four-chambered muscular organ, shaped and sized roughly like a man closing fist, with two-thirds of the mass to the left of midline. The heart is enclosed in the pericardial sac that is lined with the peritoneal layer of the serous membrane. The vascular layer to the serous members from the epicardium. Layers of the heart wall. Three layers of the tissues from the heart wall. The outer layer of the heart wall is the epicardium, the middle layer of the myocardium, and, and the inner layer of the endocardium. Chambers of the heart. The internal cavity of the heart is divided into four chambers. First one is right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricles. The two atria are thin walled chambers that receives blood from the veins. The two ventricles are thick walled chambers that forcefully pumps blood out of the heart. Different different in thickness of the heart chambers walls are due to variations in the amount of the myo- myocardium present, which reflects the amount of the force its chambers is to required to oxygen required to generate. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from systematic veins. The left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the pulmonary veins. Wall of the heart. Pump need the set of the valves to keep the fluid flowing in one direction of the heart is no exception. The heart has two types of valves. that keeps the blood flowing in the correct direction. The valves between the atria and the ventricles are called atrioventricular valves, also called suspended valves, while those at the base of the large vessels leaving the ventricles are called similar valves. Pathway of blood throughout the heart. While it is convenient to describe the flow of the blood through the right sides of the heart and then through the left side, it is important to realize that both atria and ventricles contract at the same time. The heart works and the two pumps, one of the right and one on the left, working simultaneously, simultaneously. Working simultaneously, blood flows from the right atrium to the right ventricle and then the pump it to the lungs to the receive oxygen. From the lungs, the blood flows of the left atrium, then to the left ventricle. From there, it is pumped to the systematic circulations. Blood supply to the myocardium. The myocardium of the heart valve is the working muscular that needs the continuous supply to the oxygen and nutrients to function efficiently. For these reasons, mus- cardiac muscle as the extensive network for the blood vessels to bring oxygen to the contracting cells and the remove waste products. The right and left arteries coronary arteries, branches of the ascending aorta, supply blood to the walls of the myocardium. After blood passes through the capillaries in the myocardium, it enters a system of cardiac coronary veins. Most of the cardiac veins drain into the coronary sinus, which opens into the right atrium. Thank you for watching my video.